A grease fire that never left the kitchen hood can still shut down your whole dining room. Every day you're closed is money you don't get back. In a mixed-use building, a fire on the ground floor often means checking the residential floors above too. Smoke doesn't stay where it started. We clean soot off equipment, shelving, and fixtures with methods matched to the material. Then we pull the firefighting water before it turns your stockroom into a mold problem. We schedule overnight or after hours when that gets you back open faster. Inventory gets sorted honestly, what can be treated and what's a loss. Once our cleanup is documented and done, the space is ready for the finished trades. Restaurants, stores, and offices across Brooklyn get the same priority. Get your doors back open. Call 347-853-8827.